In this video, we are going to cover how to add text box in Canva document. So for this task, we will need a blank document, and I'm going to take a untitle this one or custom size. Let's take a custom size for this one. Maybe I will take 1000 for the width and 100,000, sorry, 1500 pixel for the height, and create new documents. Okay, here we got our very much blank canvas for it. So to create a text box, I will need to add text in here, which we will find right here. We'll just have to click on this menu and add a text box. Click on when you click on the text box, and box will appear in your canvas, and you can write it anything. Maybe we will write something, growth hacks, and eventually you can make it larger or smaller, and change the font as you like. Also, you can make it larger with grab this little icon and grab this top or bottom wherever you want. Also, you can check this, add a heading, add a subheading, add a little body of text. Maybe we can put like this heading, subheading, or little body text. This will help you to create design something like magazine or something else. Also, you can input the uh, text combinations like this. In this kind of text group, you will find a bunch of text is grouped in here. As you can see, the new text is using heading now 91, and opportunities text using heading now 11 to 19. Like the text before, we can make it bigger and smaller and place it wherever we want. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Thank you.